नमस्कार, I am Professor P.B. Gole, MEP's KTHM College Nasik, Department of Commerce, SY BCom, Semester 4, Cost and Work Accounting 2nd, Chapter 2nd, Labor Cost Remuneration and Incentive. Topic: Methods of Timekeeping. Methods of timekeeping. A manual method. First, handwriting records. A. By appointing timekeeper. B. By maintaining attendance register. Second, token or disk method. In the previous lecture, we have studied handwriting records or token or disk method. After this, in this lecture, we will study the remaining method. B. Mechanical methods. First, diam time recorder. These types of time recording clock used only in a big industries. It consists of a big dial around the edge of which there are near about 150 holes, each of which bears a number corresponding to the clock number of the worker concerned. There is an arm at the center of the dial. When a worker enters into factory or department, he is to press the arm after placing it at the appropriate hole. This process automatically records the time of his arrival on a roll of paper kept inside the machine and against his number. After the completion of a week, the machine itself calculates the number of hours worked for each worker. This method provides greater accuracy in the work and avoid loss of time. Second method, key time recorder. In this method, there are a number of keys, each key bearing the ticket number of a worker. When a worker enters the factory, he inserts his particular key in the keyhole and gives a turn. The ticket number and the clock time are recorded on a sheet of paper. This method has some advantages like dial time recorder, but both of these methods suffer from the following drawbacks. First drawbacks, the method can be used by small organization only as the number of holes or key is limited, that is nearly 150. Second, the workers himself cannot see whether the correct time has been recorded. It may therefore lead to disputes. Third one, time of arrival and departure are spread on the paper roll. It makes the calculation of attendance time cumbersome. Third method, car time recorder. Under this method, each worker is given a separate card known as clock card or time card. The card bears is individual ticket number. The cards are placed in racks alongside the record or clock at the factory gate. There are usually two racks on either side of the recorder, denoting the out and in racks. The cards are serially arranged and placed on the out rack at the time of opening the factory. On arrival, a worker takes out his card from the out rack and punches at the time of arrival with the help of machine and puts it into the in rack. When the goes out of factory, the process is reversed. The method has several advantages which are as follows. Economical. It is economical since it is ultimate the necessary of employing extra time recording staff. Second, clean, safe and quick. The system is clean, safe and quick. Hence, preparation of payroll become easy. Third, fraud and fraudulent reduce. Chances of fraud and fraudulent entries are reduced. 4. Clear distinction. A clear distinction is made between normal time, overtime, and late time. Disadvantages. First, heavy capital. It is required heavy capital outlay. Second, strict supervision. Strict supervision is necessary, otherwise, the employee may instead the card of their friends in the machine. The specimen of clock card. This is a specimen of clock card. In this card, in middle, in the books of Daster Company Limited, name of company, Mulund, title of card, clock card. In left sides, name of employee, and second number of employee. Right sides, department of employee, week ending, day, before noon, time of in, time of out, afternoon, time of in, time of out, overtime from 2, total hour, normal overtime. In a last space, wages rate, total wages, less deduction, net pay, sign of timekeeper. This card is useful when employees arrival and departure of every day, every week and full month. Thank you.